In today's video, I will show you how to connect the Binance Smart Chain and Trust Wallet. I noticed that there's a lot of videos out there wasting your time, and I won't do that. If you appreciate that, scroll down and leave a thumbs up. With that being said, let's hop right into the video. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Trust Wallet, and then you want to make sure that you're on the wallet page and not on the settings or DEX page. So once you're on the wallet page, you'll need to go over to the icon in the top right, and you'll then need to search for BNB. Now you need to go over to the second option, Smart Chain BNB, and then you want to make sure that the switch is green. So if it's gray, it's disabled, and if it's green, then it's activated. So once you have activated the Binance Smart Chain, you can click on Done, and you'll then need to go over to your wallet page and scroll down. Here you'll see the Binance Smart Chain. So this is how to connect the Binance Smart Chain with Trust Wallet, but if you want to learn how to deposit funds into your account, I will show you how to do that right now as well. So you need to click on Binance Smart Chain, and you'll then see a screen looking similar to this one. You'll now need to click on Receive, and then click on the copy button to copy your wallet address. You'll then need to go over to the exchange you want to transfer from. For me, this will be Binance. So go over to your wallet page, and scroll down until you see BNB. You'll then need to click on the withdrawal button, and paste your address in. Once you have pasted your address in, you'll now need to select the network. Of course, in this case, that's the Binance Smart Chain. And once you've done that, all it's left to do is to fill in the amount of BNB you would like to transfer. And once you have filled in the amount you would like to transfer, all that's left to do is to click on the withdrawal button in the bottom on the right side. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.